Hey guys, and we are almost in the month of February, which is the official Galaxy S9 announcement month. Yes, on February 25, Samsung will announce the S9 and S9 Plus live in Barcelona at MWC 2018. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the new features that we have never seen before. The perfect set of Galaxy features that will make the S9 more special now. Before we talk about these new never seen before features, I want to clear up some doubts and questions on my last video. So last time we saw the official Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus render via AskUnlock. A lot of people were pissed. Some people called it ugly, some called it a step backward from their Galaxy S8. There was a lot of heat on the Twitter as well, so the man himself cleared up the doubts. He posted this zoomed image of the side of Galaxy S9, and you can see that the bezel is actually the same as the current Galaxy S8. Basically, what's happening with this render is that it excludes the edge display, only showing you the front part, and in reality, the Galaxy S9 will actually look exactly like the Galaxy S8 with a slightly minimum bottom bezel. Vanya Gaskin and Ice Universe, they also tweeted out the correct version of this render, including the edge display that Samsung should have included too, or whatever the artist that made this render for Samsung, and you can see it's just like the Galaxy S8. If you guys remember in the start, this was the design Samsung originally planned for the Galaxy S9. We were really happy and excited for it, but it ended up getting scrapped. So they went with this slightly smaller bottom bezel design, but mostly it's going to be the same as the S8, which is a good thing since the Galaxy S8 still looks pretty fresh and perfect for 2018. AllLeaks also tweeted out this, comparing the official render to its CAD leak, and it matches 100%. If Samsung really did something to the design, then it would have appeared long ago in the CAD leak, which always ends up being the real deal. So it's a happy news indeed that you won't be seeing more bezel on the Galaxy S9. It's still going to look awesome. Concept Creator also updated his Galaxy S9 render as well. Looks sleek, and also he showed us what the purple or violet Galaxy S9 color will look. So as we do know, Samsung has been teasing us with this new color in their teaser, and this might be how the real thing could look. Dbrand also updated their skins for the S9 and S9 Plus, again showing us the same design, dual cameras for the Galaxy S9 Plus and single camera for the S9. Fingerprint down below. Pre-orders for these skins are up right now. Alright, let's talk about the newest and the hottest stuff. So first up, the feature which got me excited is the intelligent scan. From the code of the settings app based on Android 8.0 Oreo, the developers have found these strings that says intelligent scan. So what is the intelligent scan? Well, it's a combination of facial scanner and iris scanning, which will not only improve the security but also the accuracy of the system compared to using just one of these individually. I mean, both facial scanner and iris scanner individually used, they are pretty slow to unlock compared to the modern 3D standard set by Apple. So this intelligent scan will fix all of that. And this demonstration shows that it will work on both low and very bright light, allowing users to unlock their Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus with a glance. This video was posted on YouTube by Maxwell and shows a quick 6-second animated look at how the intelligent scan would work. You just have to lift your phone and it reads your face, and boom, that's it. This year, Samsung has reportedly used a 3D scanner with their facial scanning technology. They have improved that, and they have also updated the iris scanner as well. So the two scanners working together as a one scanner will make things more secure and faster as well. Moving on to the next feature, which some of you will really like, and that's the animated avatars, aka Animojis. Shortly after leaking the official renders, AskUnlock tweeted out this, saying that the Galaxy S9 selfie mode will have animated emojis. Sam Central did some further digging, and they found out that Samsung is indeed working hard on a new 3D stickers feature for the Galaxy S9 family. Apparently, that's going to be the name for this new feature. And this is the same guy that revealed the intelligent scan feature. So he found multiple references in the code. Not only you have front camera 3D animated stickers or Animojis, you also have 3D stickers with the back camera as well. This line here says, add stickers or images to pictures taken using dual cameras then adjust the depth of the stickers or images. So it seems like these 3D stickers will work with back camera as well, and they will be an addition to the live focus mode on the Galaxy S9 Plus. You can see the reference code, it does say dual cameras, meaning it's probably a feature exclusive to the S9 Plus because the S9 Plus will feature dual cameras while the Galaxy S9 will only going to get one back camera. Although I do wish that S9 should also get a back camera live focus mode, since the Pixel can do it with one camera, why can't the Galaxy S9? I'm really interested to see how Samsung will differentiate between the single camera of the Galaxy S9 and the dual of the S9 Plus. Now Samsung actually had this sticker feature in their camera software long ago, even before the release of Galaxy S8 with their mid-range phones. We have seen this with the Galaxy C9 Pro as well. So kind of like Snapchat lenses or Instagram face filters, we have these 2D stickers. So this year Samsung will turn these 2D stickers into 3D stickers. Also have references to the weather sticker, multiple strings that says sunny, cloud, overcast, thunderstorm, the list goes on. You can check out the description. If you're a developer, you can do your own digging as well. Alright, so moving on to the third new feature, which is regarding the Bixby. With Samsung Galaxy S8, we saw the birth of Bixby Voice Assistant that has its own mechanical key on the side. So this year, Samsung is bringing the Bixby 2.0 with Galaxy S9. Twitter leakster Ice Universe tweeted out this, saying that with Bixby 2.0, you can talk to Galaxy continuously instead of saying hi Bixby every single time. So pretty much you can straight up say, Galaxy, what's the weather? And your phone will tell you the weather. That's awesome. You don't have to speak like a waking command and then wait for the phone to wake the Bixby up and then say whatever you want to say. So it's going to be a quick process. Thanks to the new chips that we have, the AI task will be much faster. Now speaking of Bixby, there's been a lot of buzz regarding the mechanical key or the button we have on the side of the phone below the volume rocker. So MKBHD's recent tweet about it certainly made Samsung rethink. They're actually doing a survey asking the users about what the button should do. There are a couple of options such as set the button to give voice commands to Bixby or Google Assistant, launching camera modes, launching the battery performance modes, or have a quick shortcut to ultra power saving mode. A very cool option is to lock your orientation while watching a YouTube video. So that's a cool one. And then of course we have the option to launch cameras of popular apps all at once. Okay, for example, Snapchat camera, Facebook live camera, Instagram camera. I wonder how that will be possible. I mean, at the same time, launching all the cameras at once. It's gonna be cool to see that. And another option to switch between the two SIM cards. Of course, if you have a dual SIM variant, you can do that. That can be a good option. And then we have the access to secure space in the phone, meaning you can press the button to go to your private pictures or access banking apps. And in the next question, they ask users that should the Bixby get a dedicated single function or have a customizable, changeable, multiple functions. So obviously I would go with the second option because the ability to customize Bixby completely is going to be pretty awesome. Imagine setting your custom application to this button like Instagram or whatever your most used app. So I would definitely say it's a great move. I mean, some people, they just don't like Bixby or they don't want an extra key for it on the side. So in this situation, if Samsung give the user ability to customize this button, like having custom actions, then it will be greatly appreciated. Now for the first time, we have a report from South Korea regarding the pricing of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and it says that S9 and S9 Plus will be the record-breaking expensive phones ever in the Galaxy S lineup. The Galaxy S9 is said to be 10% more expensive than the Galaxy S8, so it is expected that the price for the Galaxy S9 will be $850 in the United States, which means that the S9 Plus could go for $950. As for the availability, the Galaxy S9 will allegedly have a reservation sale with Samsung Electronics for 7 days from March 2nd to March 8th. According to one of Samsung's unnamed official, the Galaxy S9 series is more focused on user convenience rather than a new design. The detailed sales schedule and price will be released after the unpacking event. The source also said that the Galaxy S9 will have thinner bezels than the previous generation, so I assume they might be talking about the bottom bezel, which is thinner indeed. Now we saw the official front render, but still there is no back render from Evleaks yet, but he did confirm by leaking the parts of the camera modules, so single camera for the Galaxy S9 and dual camera for the S9 Plus. And we still got our sweet fingerprint scanner right below that camera and still got our headphone jack. Now, as I mentioned in my last video, Samsung is indeed planning on giving some free gifts with the Galaxy S9 in some selected markets. For those of you who will pre-order the Galaxy S9, you have a chance to get a free set of AKG headphones or a VR headset. It's not mentioned what the gift would be, but the goodies will be given to those who pre-order the Galaxy S9, and this offer is only for a few selected markets. So yeah guys, that's all we have regarding the Galaxy S9, aka the perfect Galaxy. Intelligent scanning, 3D stickers, Bixby 2.0 feature. I'm sure in the coming days we'll see a lot more features in the news. I will be covering up everything, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't so that you don't miss anything. And let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.